The French Bulldog is a breed defined by its charm, but its journey to our homes began in the gritty, industrial heart of England. During the Industrial Revolution, lace workers in Nottingham kept small toy bulldogs as companions, unaware they were shaping a future canine icon. When these workers migrated to France in search of new opportunities, they brought their small, sturdy companions along across the English Channel. In the bustling streets of Paris, these dogs found a new life, quickly transitioning from working-class companions to symbols of high-fashion status. The French elite were immediately captivated by their unique appearance, particularly those distinct, upright, bat-like ears that gave them such character. Their compact, muscular build and expressive faces soon became a favorite subject for artists and a staple in the most refined Parisian salons. This transformation from a humble factory companion to an aristocratic favorite cemented their place in history as a truly iconic breed. Understanding this evolution is essential, as the Frenchie's historical weight is deeply tied to the physical traits we admire so much today. As we explore their past, we begin to see how their temperament and physical needs were shaped by centuries of selective human companionship. This foundational context helps us appreciate why the French Bulldog remains one of the most beloved and recognizable breeds in the world. With their history established, we can now look closer at the personality and specific care requirements that define modern Frenchie ownership today. Join us as we bridge the gap between their storied past and the practical realities of caring for these unique and affectionate dogs. The transition from the English Midlands to the heart of France was not just a change in geography, but a cultural evolution. These dogs adapted to the urban lifestyle of Paris, proving that their small size was perfect for apartment living even back then. They were not just pets. They were companions to the working class who found solace in their playful and affectionate nature. As they moved into the homes of the wealthy, their role shifted, yet their core personality remained as endearing as it had always been. The breed's popularity soared as they became a fixture in the lives of artists, writers, and socialites across the French capital. We see the influence of this era in the way the breed is depicted in classic paintings and early photographs from the period. It is fascinating to consider how a dog once associated with factory floors became a symbol of elegance and refined taste. This duality in their history is what makes the French Bulldog such a compelling subject for dog lovers and historians alike. Their resilience during these times of change speaks volumes about the adaptability that is still a hallmark of the breed today. As we continue our journey, we will see how these historical roots influence the health and temperament of the modern Frenchie. The French Bulldog's temperament is a blend of playfulness and calm, making them ideal companions for a wide variety of owners. They are known for their affectionate nature, often forming deep bonds with their human families and seeking constant companionship. Despite their small stature, they possess a surprising amount of confidence and a personality that is larger than life itself. Training a French Bulldog requires patience and positive reinforcement, as they are intelligent but can have a stubborn streak. Their desire to please their owners makes them responsive to consistent training, provided it is kept fun and engaging for them. Socialization is a key component of their development, helping them become well-adjusted and friendly in various social environments. They are generally good with children and other pets, provided they are introduced properly and given the right guidance early on. Their quiet demeanor inside the home makes them excellent companions for those who appreciate a dog that is not overly vocal. However, they still enjoy short bursts of play and exercise, which are important for maintaining their physical and mental health. Understanding their unique personality helps owners create a nurturing environment where their Frenchie can truly thrive and be happy. The physical appearance of the French Bulldog is unmistakable, with their compact frame and those iconic, expressive bat-like ears. Their short, smooth coat comes in a variety of colors, each adding to the unique charm that makes every dog special. The structure of their face, with its short muzzle and wide-set eyes, gives them an endearing and almost human-like expression. Their sturdy build is a testament to their bulldog ancestry, providing them with a solid and balanced frame for their size. While they are not athletic in the traditional sense, they are surprisingly agile and capable of keeping up with daily activities. Their anatomy is a result of careful breeding aimed at preserving the traits that have made them so popular for generations. It is important for owners to be aware of the specific physical needs that come with this unique body structure and build. By appreciating their physical traits, we can better understand how to support their well-being throughout their lives as companions. Caring for a French Bulldog involves more than just love. It requires a commitment to their specific health and dietary needs. Because of their unique anatomy, they can be prone to certain health issues that require regular monitoring and professional veterinary care. A balanced diet is essential for maintaining their weight and supporting their overall health, especially as they age over time. Regular checkups with a veterinarian are vital to ensure that any potential concerns are addressed early and managed effectively. Owners should be proactive in observing their dog's behavior and physical condition, seeking advice whenever something seems out of the ordinary. Providing a comfortable environment with appropriate temperature control is crucial given their sensitivity to extreme heat and cold. Grooming is relatively straightforward, but regular attention to their skin, folds, and ears is necessary to prevent common irritations. The cost of ownership includes not just food and supplies, but also the investment in quality veterinary care and preventative health. Choosing a reputable breeder or rescue organization is the first step in ensuring you bring home a healthy and happy dog. By staying informed and attentive, you can provide the best possible life for your French Bulldog for many years to come. Financial planning is a key part of responsible ownership, as the costs associated with a Frenchie can be significant over time. From initial purchase or adoption fees to ongoing expenses for food and healthcare, it is a commitment that should be considered. Many owners find that the joy and companionship provided by these dogs far outweigh the financial investment required for their care. It is about viewing these costs as an investment in a loyal friend who will be a part of your life. If you are considering adding a French Bulldog to your family, take the time to reflect on your lifestyle and expectations. They are wonderful companions for those who can provide the time, attention, and care that these unique dogs truly deserve. Consider if you are ready for the responsibilities that come with owning a breed that is so deeply connected to humans. Ultimately, the decision should be based on your ability to provide a loving and stable home for a long-term companion. We hope this look at the history and care of the French Bulldog has helped you understand this breed better. Stay tuned for our next documentary, where we explore the fascinating world of the poodle, another iconic and intelligent breed. Transitioning from their historical roots, we now examine the modern French Bulldog, a breed celebrated for its playful and affectionate temperament. Their charming personality makes them ideal companions, yet owners must remain mindful of the specific health challenges linked to their brachycephalic anatomy. Because of their unique facial structure, professional veterinary guidance is essential to manage respiratory health, dietary needs, and overall long-term well-being. Beyond health, owning a Frenchie is a significant financial commitment, representing a lifelong investment in a loyal and deeply devoted canine friend. Prospective owners should carefully evaluate their own lifestyle, as these dogs require specific social interaction and moderate exercise to truly thrive at home. Ultimately, deciding if a French Bulldog is the right fit requires an honest assessment of the time, care, and resources you can provide. As we conclude this look at the Frenchie, we invite you to join us next time as we explore the history and intelligence of the poodle.